Lego was $800 million in debt, losing over $1 million a day. They were weeks away from collapsing.
Oh, man.
Here's how Lego pulled off one of the greatest comebacks in the history of business.
I'm special.
So, what exactly happened and how did the biggest toy company in the world get themselves into this situation? Let's go back to the beginning. Lego was founded in 1932, Denmark, by Ole Kirk Christiansen, a Danish carpenter with a passion for craftsmanship. Originally making wooden toys in his small workshop, Ole named the company Lego, from the Danish words leg godt, meaning play well. In 1949, Lego began producing plastic interlocking bricks, a revolutionary idea at the time. Despite financial struggles, a factory fire, and skepticism about plastic toys, Ole and his son Gottfried believed in their vision. By the 1950s, Lego bricks had evolved into the snap-together system we know today, and changed the world of play forever. Lego was absolutely crushing it for decades, doing better every single year. Everyone loved the bricks. Kids were obsessed. So Lego did what most big brands do when they're winning. They got cocky, and they started doing everything. By the 1990s, Lego significantly expanded its global presence. The company opened new theme parks like Legoland California in 1999 and expanded into various areas like clothing, watches, TV shows and media, which entered them into new international markets, becoming one of the most recognized toy brands worldwide. More ideas, more products, more distractions. However, all this expansion took a turn for the worst. The toys weren't selling, the magic was fading, and behind the scenes, the company was quietly falling apart. Despite their worldwide success, Lego's rapid expansion, coupled with declining sales and rising costs, led to a significant debt burden. They had overextended their product lines, invested heavily in theme parks and digital ventures, and began to lose focus on their core product, the simple brick. By 2003, Lego was drowning due to overexpansion and a decline in sales. The company was on the verge of bankruptcy. The Lego Group was burdened with $800 million in debt, experiencing a pre-tax loss of earnings and faced significant financial difficulties. Almost everything they tried had flopped. It was clear they were drowning and needed a change in operation. In October of 2004, a new CEO stepped in, Jürgen Vig Knudstorp. He was 35 at the time and not from the toy industry. He didn't care about flashy stuff. He asked a brutal question: what if the problem is Lego itself? CEO Jürgen Vig Knudstorp came up with a turnaround strategy. First move, cut the noise. He implemented a series of measures. He reduced product lines by 30% and laid off 1,000 employees.
As of this moment, you are all fired.
Focusing on core Lego sets and reducing the number of product lines. Turns out Lego was making over 10,000 unique parts at that time. This made production slow and expensive. They simplified everything with fewer brick types. Lego increased its attention to customer focus, prioritizing customer satisfaction and improving the customer experience. They listened to the wants and needs of their fans. But was it all enough? So, Lego also focused on sets people actually wanted, which is where strategic partnerships came in, collaborating with major brands like Star Wars and Harry Potter to create popular themed sets. Suddenly, Lego sets had stories. Sales absolutely exploded. Star Wars alone boosted revenue by 35%. In 2014, Lego sales had reached an all-time high of just over $2 billion in the first half of the year. They realized storytelling sells bricks. CEO Jürgen Vig Knudstorp had done it. His leadership streamlined operations. These strategies helped Lego to reverse its fortunes and emerge as a leading toy company. By 2015, Lego had become the world's largest toy company, surpassing Mattel. No more expansion distractions, just bricks. Lego didn't innovate by doing more. They saved the brand by doing less and doing it better, by getting back to what made them great. Still today, the company is going strong. In 2024, the Lego Group generated a global revenue of approximately $74.3 billion, driven by strong demand for its large, diverse portfolio that caters to builders of all ages and interests. Consumer sales increased by 12%. Market share grew significantly, with the LEGO Group consistently outpacing a slightly declining toy market. 25% of US households purchased LEGO products in the past year, more than any other individual toy brand, including Hot Wheels, 21%, Squishmallows, 18%, and Barbie, 15%. LEGO holds an 11.3% share of toy market sales, which is 3 times higher than its closest competitors. If you ask me, that's a very positive turnaround. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future uploads.